This is the video for assembling 9 pieces of Sonobe. 9 pieces of Sonobe is actually called a triangular bipyramid, which means we will be just assembling 2 triangular pyramids. First of all, this is the Sonobe. We will be making a triangle first. Combine these two. Once you have these 2 lines, and put the third piece, and this one just close it, and you will get the triangle. And from this triangle, we want to build another 2 sides of the pyramid. So just take one here side, insert 2 pieces, and you will get another side of the pyramid. Like this. When you see this, just close this one. And if you look at this is one pyramid, one side pyramid, 2 side pyramids, and this is the third side. So this one just close it up like that. And if you look at this one, we will just need one more piece here to close up the triangle. Okay, so once you get this one has to be opened up like this. And because it's a bipyramid, this is the one side of the pyramid, and we will need to build another side here. And we will just have 3 pieces left. So look at this. This is one side. Build another triangle here like this. Okay, so go back. This one is one side of the pyramid. And look at this one. And this is another side. So this one, just insert it here like this. Oh, this one also insert. And you will see that this one is almost completing one triangle. So the last piece will just go here. And insert all the flaps. We have a nine pieces Sonobe like this.